Yeah. Tshepisong flow, I do this shit for my nigga Jebi. He said there's your music like the remedy. I smile cause shit got me feeling like I'm Dr. Sebi. Ngoba umculo uyaphilisa, so it's cool just to play my music loud in your pharmacies. Listen till you connect like the centipedes. Took my last sense and I went ahead, bro, and bought a dream. Uyazi ngifuna ukushina like my brother Rims, you getting me? Yeah. Hey, mad teasy, she telling me about Lily shit, I tell her please. I'm like a bar, she couldn't understand, I'm over this. That was just the phase, like the place where I'm living in. You will never understand until you visit where I be. I'm always with my brothers and we smoking on some dopey shit. Niggas ain't cool with me, we never share the same fan. Later all the wave, I got it covered like the wave cap. I'm back on my bullshit, so let's rap. I couldn't find a way to rhyme with this one, so amen. My mama told me fuck getting chicks, nigga, get checks. And here, look straight in my eyes and see the face of death. Too perfect, I'm Cyclops in the trap beat. Too versatile, I'm never rapping like the old me. Ngatang payment tango, you can never find me folding. But today's with shit simple, like even when it's stormy. Yeah.
Yo, Des.